There are many companies who wants to move to cloud, specifically Microsoft Azure Cloud, and there are few professionals as well who want to learn Microsoft Cloud so that they can serve to these organizations. But to use Microsoft Cloud, uh, we companies or the professor have to subscribe it, and there are multiple types of subscriptions available provided by Microsoft Cloud. And this video is about type of subscription and which subscription best fit for you. We will look at the benefits of each subscription. We will look at the cost, and we will look at the features provided by each subscription. Hi, namaskar. This is Kishan from cloudkishan.com. I did masters in computer science and carrying 20 plus years of experience in the IT industry. Hope you and your family are doing great while you are watching this video. So let's get started. Type of subscription, as we said. So the first type of subscription is pay as you go. So what Microsoft Cloud said, that you don't require any capex if you want to use the cloud. What does it mean by the capex? Capex is the capital expenditure. So when you set up your on-prem data centers, on-prem infrastructure, you have to spend a lot of money to buying servers, to buying uh, air conditioning, to set up infrastructure, building. You have to buy the networks, etc. A lot of capex required. But to move to the cloud or start using the cloud, you don't require an capex. And why you don't require capex? Because Microsoft Cloud provide type of subscription called pay as you go. So you move your services to the cloud, and you will be billed based upon your assets, right? The amount of servers you are having, the amount of network you are using, amount of tools, firewalls, and services from the marketplace on the Azure cloud you are using, you will be billed based upon that. So pay as you go subscription is you don't pay anything upfront. You start using the services, and Microsoft will bill you based upon your assets, the based upon the consumption your organization is having. So, and this is a subscription. Many companies use it, and many individuals even use pay as you go subscription. So when they need, let's say you are the trainer and you need to train people on certain on the cloud. So probably the page as you go is the best subscription, and this is default subscription as well. So Microsoft provide a free subscription. Once the free subscription expire, it automatically turn into pay as you go mode. So that the services you use from the cloud, you will be built based upon this. So that's the first type of subscription. Now second type of subscription is MSDN. We also call this Visual Studio subscription. What is MSDN? So MSDN is this is an online and offline version of Microsoft product documentation. You get it when you buy MSDN subscription. You get the software license for Microsoft product like Visual Studio, Windows, Azure, etc. So the Microsoft product license also provided. You also get technical support. So if you are stuck in some technical issues on the Microsoft product, you can take help from the Microsoft directly. You also get MSDN magazine. So they provide Microsoft provide the magazine which has all the update and news about Microsoft, and updates on various event and conference. So Microsoft keep organizing events, conference, trainings. So they also invite you if you subscribe to their MSDN license. That's the MSDN is one type of subscription. Now the third type of subscription is EA, Enterprise Agreement. The first thing about enterprise agreement, as you can understand, enterprise, right? So this is for the organization who has 500, I repeat, who has 500 or more users or devices that want a manageable volume of licenses. So enterprise agreement is done with the Microsoft for the only organization which has 500 users or devices. But the benefit of it is you get the best price actually. You get the best discount, an added benefit designed to support servers and cloud technologies. You get 24 by 7 technical support if you have the enterprise agreement with Microsoft. The plannings, they help you to planning your services, your infrastructure. They also provide you end user and technical training. So they also train you a certain number of training as hours are provided, so that they can train your people, and your people can have the best utilization and can design the best infrastructure on the Azure. Now, the next benefit of enterprise agreement is minimize upfront cost, right? There's no upfront cost, and you can plan for next 3 years, right? It's a type of locking the prices, uh, for the next 3 year, and simplify purchasing with predictable payments, because you have the agreement, so you can predict how much you are going to spend based upon the detail you provide to the Microsoft. A single agreement for cloud service and software, so you make only the one agreement, single enterprise agreement, and that work for everything, all the services, cloud softwares provided by the Microsoft. The next type of subscription is CSP, right? Cloud service provider or partner, we can call it. So, what is CSP subscription? A CSP subscription is basically for the companies or for the organization who provide cloud services to other another vendors. So let's say there is a IT company, and that IT company has many clients, and those clients want to use Microsoft Cloud. So what that company will do, they will have the CSP, cloud service provider subscription from Microsoft. And what all they get out of it, they maintain CSP portal. So there's a CSP portal they will get, and create subscription to their clients. So if you want to use Microsoft Cloud, you can directly log into the portal, Microsoft portal, and create a subscription and start using. In case of the CSP, so basically CSP get the portal and they create subscription for their clients. This is like sub-subscription or reseller, right? So this is Microsoft is the seller. You buy a bunch basically in CSP, and then you resell that bunch of services to your client. So that's come under the CSP. Example, we can take SCL, Accenture, and many more, right? There are many more companies who has the CSP subscription from the Microsoft, and create subscription for their client. uh, you also get partner, transact across Microsoft Service Cloud like Office 365, Middle CRM. So many benefit you get. And last one is free account, right? Which is most interested. So Microsoft provide free subscription as well. That free subscription is valid for 1 month or 30 days. Uh, this is generally, for provided for the learners or anybody who want to explore cloud before start using it. But you need a credit card. They don't charge anything, by the way. They may charge to 1 or 2 rupees, but they will credit back that 1 or 2 rupees to you. They just want to validate your credit card information is correct. They just need credit card. Debit card does not work. So if you don't have the credit card, you cannot even create the free subscription. And what you get in the free subscription, you get 200 USD, right? So they give you credit of 200 USD, and you can create services and utilize that portal within 30 days. To use your 200 USDs. They are valid for 30 days only. Even free account or free subscription provides some services which are valid for months, and which are even valid for a year or even few years, right? They are always free services as well. You can use, example, you can use Gmail account too to create the free subscription, because you need to provide some email, mobile number, etc. And so you can use the Gmail account or any other account to to identify yourself on the Microsoft Cloud. So I think that's all on type of subscription. Page as you go is the most usable in general. MSDN, MSDN is generally companies get the MSDN, and you get many benefit from MSDN license. You get many software license, you get Visual Studio, license, you get SQL Server, etc. So many software products from Microsoft also you get an MSDN subscription. Enterprise agreement is for the big organization, the organization which have 500 or more. Cloud service provider is for generally for the IT company, who wants to resell basically. So they get a service from Microsoft and resell that service to their client. and provide support, and work as support for those their clients. Free subscription is generally to explore, temporarily before you start using it, or maybe if you want to learn as a professional, you can create the free account and can start using it. The only thing is you need a credit card, right? Debit card does not work. They don't charge credit card. They once after 30 days, they will notify you if you want to, convert this free subscription to pay as you go, which is most common, and most usable subscription type. Uh, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this met your expectations. Please let me know your feedback in comment section so that I can do better job next time. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye bye.